Hello everyone, my name is Yingzi Chen. Today, I will present a visualization from our world in data about global CO2 emissions. The visualization shows global CO2 emissions over time. The x-ray represents year, and the y-axis represents total CO2 emissions in tons. It helps us understand how emissions have changed from the pre-industrial era today. From the chart, we can see that emissions were very low before the Industrial Revolution. Growth remained relatively slow until the mid-20th century. In 1950, global emissions were about 6 billion tons. By 1990, this number had almost quadrupled to over 20 billion tons. Today, the emissions exceed 35 billion tons per year. Although growth has slowed slightly in recent years, emissions have not yet peaked. The visualization also shows how emissions are distributed across regions. In the early 20th century, Europe and the United States dominate global emissions. For example, in 1919, they contributed more than 90% of emissions. However, this pattern has changed significantly over time. In recent decades, emissions in Asia, especially China, have increased rapidly. Today, the US and Europe account for less than one-third of global emissions. Overall, the visualization clearly shows that the global CO2 emissions have increased dramatically over time. It highlights the impact of industrialization and shifting distribution of emissions across regions. Thank you.